Hey Journey families, welcome to your gallery. Here's a quick little demo on how to use it and what to expect. So first you're going to open your gallery. You'll pop in your email address and your password, which is Boise, all lowercase, and then we'll go inside. You will see that everybody is here by alphabetical order based on their last name. So just scroll down to your child and open their gallery. So we'll take Clara since she's the first one here. All the kids will have a different number of images in their gallery depending on how many poses and smiles and everything they gave me. So don't worry if you have more, don't worry if you have less. It's just based on your child's comfort level. So you have options up here, but I would recommend opening it large and scrolling through and just taking a look at the pictures. If you see one that you like, you can favorite it and come back to it later, or you can choose to buy a photo. So we'll click here now. There's packages. The packages are going to be all one picture. So package A, for example, you would get of this picture four wallets, two 4x6 prints, so on. If you want something different, you can go over to items. You can do individual prints, you can do digitals. One digital is going to be $20, or you can pay $70 and get all the albums, all the album photos. This doesn't matter if you have 6 photos or 10 photos. It's just an album price, and it's straight across the board. If you have multiple kids and you want to buy all of their albums, you will get a buy one, get one half off discount at checkout. So say you buy this album of Clara and then you buy one of her brother, the first album would be $70, the next one would be $35. And you will receive an email almost immediately for download. This watermark will not be on there, and you'll also get a print release. There's canvases available, and then just a quick little note, if you see something in your picture that you feel needs to be retouched, you can add on a $20 retouching fee, and then leave me a note in the comments at checkout about what it is you want to be retouched. I have tried to get almost everything, but if you see something, just let me know and add this on and I can take care of that for you. So for this one, let's say we want to get a 4x6 of this image. So we'll make sure that this is the image that we do want. We will make sure that the size is correct, the quantity is good, and then we'll add it to our cart. We can then go to the cart, or we can buy another item. So for now we'll go here, and I think I've got one in there already. Please double check, again, the sizes, the quantity, and the image that you've selected are exactly what you want. Because when you go to checkout, you'll see a note that due to the custom nature, all sales are final. Obviously, these are pictures of your child, so if you don't want them, I can't really turn around and sell them to someone else because they wouldn't really want those. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy your pictures as much as I enjoyed taking them.